Meanwhile, no Jamaican has been nominated for the World Athletics Male Athlete of the Year for 2020, as athletes from the United States and Africa dominate the list of 8 nominees. Ugandan Joshua Cheptegei, who broke the 10,000 meters world record earlier this year, and another world record holder in Swedish pole vaulter Armand Duplantis, who holds both indoor and outdoor best for his event, are the headliners. 19-year-old Jacob Kiplimo, who upstaged his Ugandan compatriot Cheptegei in winning the World Half Marathon event earlier last month, also makes the list, with World 1500 meters champion Timothy Cheruiyot of Kenya being the other African on the list. World 200 meters champion American Noah Lyles is the only sprinter nominated, and he has countrymen World 800 meters champion Donovan Brazier and shot put world champion Ryan Cruiser as company. World discus champion Sweden's Daniel Stoll, Javelin World Championship gold medalist Johannes Vetter of Germany, and Norwegian World Champion Karsten Warholm complete the list. Like the female accolade, as you heard earlier, the Male Athlete of the Year award will be announced live at the World Athletics Awards on Saturday, December 5.